Hello everyone, this is designer Burhan. Today, I want to show you how to design a business card on Adobe Illustrator. Let's start full project. Client telling he has a business card, but now need another one modern card design. Alright. In my notepad, I wrote his all information for easy to use on the design. At first, take a layer of business card size 3.5 by 2. Select Chimic mode for printable file. Click Create. Take a rectangle shape for create bleed area of card outside. Note this height white size for make it. Again, take a rectangle shape for create bleed area of card inside. Alright. Now adding client information and icons. Alright. Now save it according to your client demand. Show your design using a mock-up like me. Thanks for watching the video.